In this tranquil corner filled with stories, the home library stands as a silent witness to countless journeys of thought and reflection. Stepping outside, we arrive at the grape garden, where each vine grows in harmony, climbing and intertwining in a dance orchestrated by nature itself. In this side garden, a variety of tropical trees reach skyward. The longan tree with its small, sweet fruits, the rambutan with its bright, spiky skin, and the durian, the king of fruits, with its distinctive aroma. And now we step into the greenhouse, a sanctuary where life flourishes under warmth and patience. Here, the melons hang gracefully, awaiting the perfect moment to reveal their sweet bounty. Every melon here tells a story of nurtured growth, of a balance carefully maintained between sunlight, water, and time. Emerging from the greenhouse, we make our way to the grape garden once more. This time, it is for an up-close observation to pick the ripe grapes that gleam under the daylight, signaling their readiness. And finally, with the fruits of the day's journey in hand, we begin work in the home office, where nature's inspiration meets the labor of the mind.